Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to talk to you guys about a camera I found at a thrift store for 20 bucks. Have you ever found medium format for 20 bucks? This is the Zeiss Ikon Nettar. It's like an old camera. I originally thought this was one from the 30s because they were making them back then, but I think this was from the early 50s. It's the 517-16. So press the button on the top and the lens pops out. This is an f6.3 75mm lens, fixed lens. I think it's really cool for 20 bucks, like a little folder like that. You just go like that, pop it back in. So f6.3 seems like kind of, well, not great, but it's not the worst when it comes to medium format. I know that my other cameras have like f3.5, I think, and I still get really good results when shooting wide open. When I bought this camera, originally the focus ring wouldn't go to infinity. It would get stuck between like 9 and 12. So someone had already taken apart this camera, and they didn't put it back together right. So what I did was I unscrewed the front here and I reseated everything. So like there's a little piece of glass, I cleaned that, and then there's a little ring that holds the glass in, and that wasn't seated correctly, so I put that back in, and then after many attempts found the right way to screw it back on, and then voila, it worked. So I had no way of knowing until I shot a roll through it. I shot a roll of Kentmere Pan 400 because it's like the cheapest 120 film I can get right now, and I was shocked that everything worked, because like you have like your little tiny viewfinder there, but that doesn't show you focus. Like you're literally like zone focusing with this camera. Like you gotta know your rough distances. And I tried like close up, mid-range, and far away, like to infinity, and everything worked. The shots were like a little bit soft, not in the sense of like out of focus, but like in like a kind of like this is really like old glass kind of way. I think if I took it apart again and really did a good cleaning job, I might be able to get better results. But I was super stoked that I was able to get a whole roll and the shots were like totally fine. There isn't a lot of shutter speeds on this. There is like a dial that goes from bulb up to 1/200th of a second. And then you have f6.3, f8, f11, f16, and f22. Those kind of like rotate as well, so it's not like a click into place for both shutter speed and aperture. But yeah, this camera worked pretty well. I finished the roll of Kentmere Pan 400, which I'll show you, and then I'm just finishing, hopefully by the time I get this video together, I'll finish the roll of Kodak Gold, because I really wanted to see what the color looked like on it. But like it being like compact, this, like I could literally put this in a pocket. Having medium format that fits in a pocket, even if it's not like absolutely fantastic quality, it's still like pretty awesome. And then on the back, you have like this little window here for advancing. So you load the film. I can't show you right now because there's film in here, but you load the film and you just have this little window open, and you keep twisting the knob until you see like the one show up for the first exposure. And so then when you take your like you close it, and when you take your shot, you open up the little window and wind it on until it says 2 or 3 and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. It's you got to slow down to use it, right? And you got to use like your dedicated light meter and all that. But I just really love having medium format so small like this. And yeah, getting it for like 20 bucks from a thrift store it was a risk, but before I bought it, like, I could see that the shutter was cocking. I could see the shutter was, it's like a real, I think it's a leaf shutter. It was just like, everything was like working. All the dials were working. So the only thing that wasn't was the focus, and I was able to fix that, which was super amazing. I was so pumped about that. But yeah. So let me know what you think of the pictures, and if you've ever found medium format for a steel, do let me know. It'd be cool to talk about it. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you on the next vid. Well, here goes nothing.